Hello, this is Kyle Byron, the Toronto Nutritionist, and this is our new daughter. And this video is about weight gain in new parenthood. Specifically, this video is going to talk about sleep deprivation. One of the most interesting things I ever learned about nutrition and sleep was that, and this is very well researched by the way, but the more tired you are, the more hungry that you feel. This was really easy to study, so they did studies where they gave people only 4 hours of sleep, and they found that they reported that they were like eating normally, but they were actually eating 400 calories more per day. And so obviously that can quickly lead to body fat gains. You know, long-term research, we look at society sleeping less the last sort of 50 years, and obviously obesity started going up. So that's a little bit more research behind that. And just personally, you might know that when you're tired, you don't eat as well. Now obviously, with sleep deprivation, it's harder to train. You just don't have the energy. The only thing I would say to that is do short workouts. You know, I talk about that a lot. And exercise gives you energy. Okay, so a lot of the moms that I talked with over the years who were able to stay in really great shape, they just got it done. They trained even though they were tired. Dad's the same thing. And this can only be 10 minutes long. But it is going to give you a little energy boost your metabolism, keep your your back in good shape and everything that's important. Yes, food logistics. So as a family, my wife and I, we decided, okay, we're gonna fill our freezer just full of compliant meals. The meatloaf recipe that I have in my recipe playlist, we made a bunch of that and froze it. I've got my mom's chili and a broccoli soup with chicken that I made, and we just filled up the freezer. And so, you know, when we're tired and don't want to do as much cooking and shopping with the little one here, we just been pulling those meals out and just microwaving them up, and that has been really great. Another thing that we've done for our food logistics is anyone that says they want to come and visit, which has been a lot of our friends and family, we say, hey, why don't you just bring over, some food? That would really help us out a lot. And that's kind of a traditional thing to do anyways. Yeah, then our friend brought us this big thing of cookies, and I had a couple of cookies last week. So yeah, they were delicious, but I certainly didn't need those cookies. The other thing not everyone knows about sleep is that it will actually disrupt your metabolism. So during sleep, we get a lot of these regenerating hormones, and when you lift weights or you work out hard in the gym, that breaks things down. Sleep helps repair them. If you can repair the new tissue, your metabolism is going to be higher. So I respect that parents can be busy, and now that I have a new one, I can actually say that I know what they're going through, and that can give me some more authority in this space. So if you're gonna have kids, or you have some already, planning ahead, getting your freezer stocked, doing some short workouts, that will give you some energy, and getting your loved ones to bring some food by. Check out the other videos I have on my YouTube channel. I hope they're going to be really helpful for you, and I wish you and your family all the best in this time. Thanks for watching.